Welcome back to Cruising America. Today we're hiking Acadia National Park's Jordan Pond Path. We're Steve and Kathleen. We're Cruising America in our 35-foot fifth wheel RV, chasing 70-degree weather year-round. If you'd like to watch our previous videos, please click the Cruising America playlist link in the description below this video. Otherwise, enjoy our current episode starting now. Acadia National Park, the crown jewel of the North Atlantic coast, is mostly located on Mount Desert Island, the largest island off the coast of Maine. The park stretches across half of the island, roughly divided by Somme Sound, to create east and west sides. The east side of Mount Desert Island is the most visited area of Acadia, with the 27-mile Park Loop Road system offering outstanding views and access to popular spots. Jordan Pond is at the end of the one-way Park Loop Road. Highlights of the hike include stunning views, a mix of trail types, and a pleasant boardwalk. Challenges are rocky sections and crowding. As it can be difficult to find a parking spot due to traffic, we recommend getting there very early. The backdrop of the pond is beautiful as you meander through the woods along the pond. The boardwalks are unique, and outside of a couple muddy spots, the trail is very enjoyable. This trail can get crowded at points, especially in the parts where there are wooden walkways for pass. There's a section with some rocky terrain, but other than that, it's a peaceful walk. The rocky portion in the northwestern section is a scramble requiring fully ambulatory hikers. There are a couple of sandy areas where people can step aside and relax on the shore, too. Because the pond is a municipal supply source, dogs, swimming, and wading are not allowed. The bonus of this beautiful hike is the Jordan Pond House. Since 1893, guests to the park have been enjoying delicious tea and fantastically fluffy popovers on the picturesque Jordan Pond House lawn. Pioneered by Nellie McIntyre, the first proprietor of the restaurant, this tradition is certainly one that you don't want to miss out. With more than 4 million visitors each year, the park, with its many attractions and stunning seaside mountain scenery, provides many unforgettable experiences, justifying its claim as the crown jewel of the North Atlantic coast. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below, then click the bell to receive an instant message each time we publish more videos.